In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Instagram account on Manychat. Whether you're managing multiple social media platforms or simply need to switch the Instagram account link to your Manychat setup, this guide will walk you through the process in just a few minutes. Let's start by heading over to Manychat. If you're not already familiar with it, Manychat is a platform that helps you automate rich conversations across messaging services. It's user-friendly and a fantastic way to manage your social media interactions efficiently. Now to begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Manychat website. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in. Click on that. You'll need to enter your login credentials to access your Manychat account, so go ahead and do that. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Manychat homepage. From here, look towards the dashboard where you should see a variety of tools and options available to manage your bots and messages. What we want to focus on, however, is the navigation menu. You're going to find the Home tab in the navigation menu, so click on that. The Home tab serves as your starting point and a hub of activity within Manychat, making it more convenient to access various features. After you're in the Home tab, the next step is to locate where it says Channels. This is where Manychat connects and manages various communication channels. Clicking on Channels will bring up a list of platforms that are connected to your Manychat account, such as Facebook, SMS, email, and of course Instagram. Since our goal is to change the Instagram account, we'll focus on that. Within the list of channels, find and click on Instagram. This will bring up the settings specific to your Instagram account connected to Manychat. From here, if you're looking to switch to a different Instagram account or make modifications, you'll have access to the appropriate tools and settings to do so. It's important to note that connecting and managing the correct Instagram account is crucial for maintaining seamless engagement with your audience. By doing so, you'll ensure that all automated responses and interactions are routed correctly and effectively. And there you have it. Changing your Instagram account on Manychat is that simple. This quick process can save you a lot of time and hassle, particularly if you manage multiple accounts or need to swap them out frequently. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your social media management experience. See you next time.